Howdy. Wow. Wally Vu. Or Deja Wally. Look familiar, Ron? Let's see if I can find a leak. It's leaking. It's leaking underneath here. It's leaking from on the other side of that bumper there. I only got this jack stand on it right here, so I'm not sticking my head under there. But this is not on my wife's van. This is on my van. So I got to pull the brake line off, put another brake line on, put some fluid in, and away we go. Missing all the fun, Wally. Alright guys, I'll bring you back when I got it all taken off. Talk to you in a bit. Alright, back. There's the old one. Busted off over here. And there's the new one. And it goes around underneath and connects up over there. You can see the nice clean line. And you can see I gotta bleed the brakes. It's a little cold here in my garage. You know, I haven't got concrete floor in yet. Still working on a dirt floor. And you know, Wally, I could have brought you another pork roll. Oh, battery's dying. Gotta go. Ciao. Happy motoring.